We've got a very exciting 2016. I think it's rich in catalysts. We've delivered our feasibility study, although we are working on some optimization programs. We've got 3 exploration programs that we have planned for 2016, including a late spring drill program get started in the third week of March. The catalyst that I think excites all of us at Sabina the most this year, our deliverables, are certainly on the permitting. We've delivered our FEIS. Our final public hearings will be in the end of April. Exploration is going to be a big part of 2016. We've got a drill program, and we'll be focusing on Kagoya Convergence and Hivagani, which are our 3 newest discoveries on Back River. And delivering some other improvements on the project, whether it be asset optimization, feasibility optimization, are all part of our program for 2016. To have a high-grade Canadian project that makes economic sense in today's gold price, and certainly even better with today's Canadian exchange rate, which has turned into certainly a big benefit for the project. Through the bulk of the permitting process, there's very few peers that are going to have those catalysts in front of them, and hopefully by the second half of this year, most of those will be behind us. The biggest challenge to everybody here in the show is the capital markets. You know, we're lucky, I think, that gold is a commodity that has appreciated, certainly in Canadian dollar terms and compared to most, and that certainly gives us an advantage. To have a project that is got the feasibility behind it and the bulk of the permitting now behind us with the final public hearings, you know, there are challenges to manage. It's a process that, you know, you have to be best in class in order to achieve the desired outcomes. And I think we're prepared for those challenges, and we feel that we'll be able to deliver those in 2016. I think the resource itself is one of the things that sets us apart. The reserve at Back River, we're dealing with some of the highest grade open pits in the world. Certainly the highest grade undeveloped open pits in the Americas. These are over 6 grams. Again, they have been quantified through 2 feasibilities. The latest feasibility was looking at a simplification of the process, a simplification of the mining plans to try and limit the capital cost up front. And I think we've done a very good job in delivering our objectives. You know, jurisdiction is a big part too. I think certainly after some of the risk we've seen in other jurisdictions, people are coming back to Canada. And again, I've talked briefly before about the FX, about the currency differences for Canadian producers, and that certainly helps in us being able to deliver in a trying market. I think Sabina is a first choice because of the people, the asset, the jurisdiction, and the economics. And really, if you don't have all 4 of those, it's very difficult to be successful in this market, and certainly in the commodity space. And we're one of the fortunate few that has an asset that has allowed a management team to execute around it.